You asked how to buy shares of AutoStore Holdings Ltd, so here's a clear step-by-step walkthrough. AutoStore is a provider of automated warehouse systems, listed on Euronext under the ticker AUTO.OL. This is educational information, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a regulated broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and then add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker AUTO.OL to locate the listing. Make sure the result matches AutoStore Holdings Ltd and select the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a live price chart for context. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct AutoStore listing. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review all order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the trade completes. Once executed, your AutoStore position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link and more details, check the description below.